This is a video that I've wanted to film for quite a while, and I've been sitting here for the past 15 minutes, and I don't really know how to start it because it's an interesting video. I don't want to insult anyone and I don't want to bash anybody, but at the same time, I feel like I want to make this video because this video is based on something that I've been feeling a lot lately, and I just want to see if anyone else feels the same way, or if maybe I'm weird and I'm just doing my own thing. I don't even know. But anyway, I have my water. Okay, so but today I want to talk about why I don't watch beauty gurus anymore. I've almost completely stopped watching bigger YouTubers now. I only have 3 people that I'm still subscribed to that have over 1 million subscribers. The other 30 beauty channels I'm subscribed to have under 1 million subscribers, and most of them have under 100,000 subscribers. And I used to be that person that subscribed to like 50 people that all had like over 1 million subscribers or were very big in the industry, and I thought that they were the most amazing people. I thought that they were perfect because like they had all these numbers, so why shouldn't I also subscribe to them if they're doing makeup and I like makeup, and maybe their videos are going to be better than someone who has less subscribers than they do. So that was my mentality. And then I realized that I actually enjoy watching smaller YouTubers so much more than I enjoy watching bigger YouTubers. And in this video I want to go into the reasons why I think that smaller YouTubers are better, for me to watch at least, than bigger YouTubers. So the first reason that I have that I like to watch smaller YouTube channels versus bigger YouTube channels is honesty. This is something that I wish that more people on YouTube would get on board with, because if you look at people's reviews, I mean, there's some people that are very honest in their reviews, and those people, if they're big YouTube channels, I'm like, thank you very much, I'm subscribing. And sadly, that's not the case for most bigger YouTube channels. Most bigger YouTube channels prefer to either exaggerate a review or simply kiss the butt of the brand that's doing the product and basically lie. I don't really have any definite proof of this because I can't tell you that almost every single big YouTuber lies about reviews, but if you see a big YouTuber give this glowing review about this amazing product that just dropped, and then you see like 3 or 4 other smaller YouTubers go out with their own money and buy this product, and then they say this product is crap, and the big YouTuber's like, oh yeah, this product is amazing, it's so good, then there's something funny going on, you know? And that's when I think, should I watch this YouTuber at all then if I don't know if they're being honest or not? Or it's because maybe they're thinking that, oh yeah, the brand that's made this product will definitely see this video that I made, since I'm a big YouTuber and I get views. So if they see this video and they like this video, maybe they'll promote it on their page or on their Snapchat or on their social media, and then I will get more people to follow me because I'm so big. Let's get bigger. But for someone who's like a smaller YouTuber, chances are a brand is not necessarily going to see them anyway, so what do they have to lose by being honest? Well, you get what I'm saying? So again, that's not to say that I hate everybody who has a lot of subscribers, but there's that like question in my mind whenever I see like someone who like will not do like a bad review like ever. I'm like sitting there and I'm like, are you exaggerating? Like, what's going on? Like, can I trust you? Like, there's that question, and I hate that that question has to be asked, but the simple truth is, I find that I trust smaller YouTubers to give me good product recommendations rather than big ones. The other reason that I have for watching smaller YouTubers versus bigger YouTubers is versatility. Now, this changes depending on which channels you watch if they're bigger, but the general like thing that I've been noticing is that so many larger YouTubers tend to post the same kinds of videos. They oftentimes don't stray from the cookie cutter tutorial, first impressions, haul video, and some YouTubers that have like this habit I can watch, but other YouTubers it just gets boring because I realize I'm not inspired, I don't feel motivated to watch your videos. But if I look at a smaller YouTuber, those YouTubers tend to post videos that I feel more interested in watching because they do tend to be about makeup, yes, and occasionally they throw in a vlog as well. But a lot of times, smaller YouTubers tend to be a little bit more creative with their videos, if that makes any sense, rather than bigger YouTubers. And I don't know why that is. I really don't understand. But I just feel like if I look at the video list of a smaller YouTuber versus a bigger YouTuber, there are more videos that I want to click on just based on the title when I look at a smaller YouTuber versus when I look at a bigger YouTuber. The third reason that I have is simply the fact that I no longer feel inspired by watching bigger YouTubers. See, here's the thing. Most bigger YouTubers, when you watch their videos, they tend to be repeats. They tend to do the same kind of look. There's some bigger YouTubers that do not necessarily fit this mold. They tend to do makeup looks that are really out of the box, really interesting, really innovative, that inspire me. But then there are other YouTubers that are like, let's do like a red lip and a smoky eye for the millionth time, and let's use neutrals all the time. And yeah, I understand if that's your style, but it's not something I'm interested in. I just feel like I can get more innovative and more interesting looks if I'm watching a smaller YouTuber, because it's very likely that a smaller YouTuber, for some reason, I don't know, will have more interesting looks than a bigger YouTuber, because bigger YouTube beauty gurus just, in my mind, tend to do repeats of the same kind of look. Like, remember there was like that warm tone smoky eye craze? Everybody was doing a warm tone smoky eye, and I love a good warm tone smoky eye, don't get me wrong. But if you're doing that video like exclusively and you're not doing like any other kind of tutorial and you're just doing that video like on repeat, maybe you're switching out the lip look, but you're basically just doing the same kind of video over and over again, I get bored. Versus if I go to some smaller YouTubers that I love watching, they post like amazing makeup tutorials that are interesting, that are innovative, that I just feel inspired by watching. You know, that's just a little bit of a personal preference for me, but that's just my thing. I was gonna do 3 reasons, but I just want to throw in like a bonus reason as well. And this is one that I feel bad about saying because yes, I do understand that people are busy, people have a lot of like things going on, and that is okay. And especially I feel if you're bigger, you're doing a lot of projects and you're probably doing like things besides YouTube. But I noticed that smaller YouTubers overall tend to post a lot more often than bigger YouTubers. And I want to watch if they're posting a lot more often. I have not always been someone who posts very often. Now I'm trying to post like 4 or 5 times a week, which is like crazy, and that's such an increase from when I was posting like once a week. But if it is your full-time job and YouTube is your full-time job and you don't really have like any other obligations, you're not a student, you don't work, you just do YouTube, that's your job, then why can't you post more YouTube videos? There are people that have YouTube channels that post like once a month or like once a week, and now people are posting every day on YouTube with a job, with other things going on in their life. Yes, I do understand there's some bigger YouTubers that have their makeup lines, that have their merch, that are doing other things, that are very busy. But if you look at Snapchats on some bigger YouTubers, or if you look at Instagram stories on some like big Instagram stars and influencers, they don't do much. They literally like, it's the middle of the week and you're seeing them like go clubbing, and you're seeing them like go partying, and you're seeing them basically have the time of their lives, and they haven't posted a video in like a month. So It's not to like throw shade at them because they can post whatever they want. But my thing is, I feel like it is a lot more worth it to subscribe to and watch a smaller YouTuber that posts more than a bigger YouTuber, because not a lot of bigger YouTubers post like 5 times a week. I can only think of, like off the top of my head, Tati Westbrook. She posted 5 times a week from the very beginning, and she is like queen because she posts like interesting and new videos. She has millions of subscribers at this point, and she posts videos 5 times a week. And I'm pretty sure that she has other things to do. She has her line, she probably has a lot of other projects behind the scenes, she has her personal life. But compare her with someone who posts like once a week or once in 2 weeks, and there's a discrepancy. So my thing is, I prefer to watch smaller YouTubers, because smaller YouTubers that I'm subscribed to, some of them post every single day and they have jobs. So I will watch those YouTubers and I will subscribe to those YouTubers because I know I will be able to see an honest video, a interesting video, a new and innovative video, a video that will inspire me, and I will be able to see a new video very often. Those are my reasons for me preferring to watch smaller YouTubers over beauty gurus. Now, I do understand that I'm kind of critical in this video, and I'm sorry, but this is just something I wanted to get off my chest. I'm someone who tries very hard to post as much as possible, and I do try and apply this criteria to myself. I'm definitely someone who wants to make my YouTube channel the best it can be. I try to post videos as often as I can. I try to post interesting videos. I try to post videos that inspire people. I try to be entertaining, and I try to post new content, and I try to be honest about about everything I say. But yeah, like that was pretty much my video. I don't know how to end this, but this is the end of this video, I guess. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe this caused you to think a little bit about people that you watch. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. I do hope that you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.